Be a bad tackling, mate. Oh, what is that again? What? What was that?
I like, Rahman thing, why you looking at your she look? I was like, Rahman thing, why you looking at me your Clark?
Yeah, I tell you if I'm not. No Jamaican speak like that, yeah? It's only him. And that.
What's up? What's up? Another day, Monday. Oh, I haven't put my mic on, just a minute. This would make it sound a lot better. Just give me 1 minute. Check, mic check. Back in. I'm a comedian, you know. A lot of time I just laugh at myself. That bring me peace, my youths. But yeah, anyway guys, Monday today. I don't know where I'm going with this vlog. Didn't really decide to vlog today. However, a lot of things coming up throughout the week, so I was going to capture that. In the office today, reduced numbers of people who can come inside the office. Social distancing, you don't know. Sticking with the guidelines, you know what I mean? I'm the only one here now at the moment, so I'm just doing some stuff for my boss. So I'm planning to go use the gym roughly 12, lunchtime-ish. If not, it's going to be later on in the evening. So as I said, I have to drive back to London, so I'm thinking what to do, if I should do it now or do it when I get back home to London. However, you know, when I get back home is a different scenario because I got kids, man, you know what I mean? And trust me, them little pocket rocket, there's something else, you know, they're really adorable. You know, I haven't really talked much about my family life, you know, because I'm trying to keep this vlog, you know, just about me. But however, they're part of my life, so, and now they're part of my life, so it's something, you know, it's a new venture. I think so. Yeah, they bring peace, man. You know, like, you know, there's something else, and yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna include them in this vlog as much, but yeah, you might see a little footage of them, maybe the little foot dangling or something, or a back shot of them, you know. Yeah, family man now. So as I said, gonna do some work for my boss, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Oh, just to let you guys know as well, my drone finally decided to work because I didn't read the manual. You know, that's one thing with blokes, isn't it? We don't read my manual whatsoever. You know, it's like straight away out the box, ready to go fly. You know. Not saying I'm trying to sound sexist here, but it's true though. Women do tend to find the details, you know, and read stuff more and stuff like that, you know. So if you guys agree, disagree, drop a comment below. Let me know. Yeah, so as I said, back to work. So catch up with you later.
1, 2, 3. I don't know who else to be.
Yeah. So that's me done. Just a quick little task. Send off emails, send, all good to go. So at the moment I'm just gonna catch up. Still haven't have any wet for the day, that's what the Marines call it. So I'm just gonna go and grab myself a nice little cuppa, mate. So normally we have this area right here. We get our little brews and all that. Coffee machine, microwave, standard fridge and toaster. It's alright, do the job. However, I'm not rolling like that today, so I'm gonna go and get myself a nice little cup of mint tea, mate. You know what I mean? Changes for 2022. I'm getting rid of this little flub right here. What do you just right here? This little tire. Yeah. Get back my 6-pack. So yeah, mint tea. One for the road. Oh yeah, one more thing. Everywhere you go, you gotta got these down, mate. Safety, you never know. COVID might be in the corridor. Mint tea is one of my go-to option, really. I never really drink latte and stuff like that, coffee as much when I was back home in Jamaica. just when I come here in the UK. Well, I've been here for a long time. Being on exercise and stuff like that, and going around to your friends and family houses, you know, that's like the first go-to option. Hence why the reason why Usain Bolt is so fast. You know, you just stick to the natural thing. You get me? So, and including myself as well. You know what I mean? I think I could give Usain Bolt a run for his money. You know what I mean? If you guys feel that I could give Usain Bolt a run for his money, comment below. Let me know. You know what I mean? Me and Usain Bolt have a race off. And he's one of my idols, without a doubt. You know, little country boy. Cheers to Usain Bolt. one day, my friend. Me and you. Big Fabziy. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna just finish my brew and go downstairs. Go downstairs and see what the rest of the guys doing down there. What time now? Time now is bang on 10 o'clock. So we have naffy break. So if you guys don't know what naffy break is, it's something what we have in the military. Normally 10 o'clock is like a little break from your computer or whatever you're doing. Event you got on, and you just take a little half an hour break, 20-minute break, and then you're back in again and typing away. But yeah, that's something what we call a naffy break. Anyway, guys, go downstairs and see what the rest of the guys doing. So come on, take you along. So yeah, lads, one more thing just before I go. I just need to show you something real quick. So you got this lad here. I just had his name out. This lad here. So he was one of the guy who I met when I came here. Gleaming bloke, trust me, but hey, don't tell him I say that. But yeah, you know what, scrap that. When someone do something good, you need to tell them. Yeah, give them roses now. Don't wait until they pass away. But he is a decent lad, and trust me when I say this. I can count the amount of guys now who I interact with on my fingers who I would say, yeah, genuine bloke, decent bloke, you know. But he's one of them, you know. Top of the list, top of the food chain, mate. You know what I mean? So big yourself up. You know, I know you're gonna watch this vlog somewhere, somehow. Yeah, but top bloke, yeah. Quite good looking as well, isn't it? Ladies, tell me what you think, yeah? Drop a comment. Matter of fact, he's off the market as well. He's off the market, so don't even comment. Yeah, but top bloke though, normal, yeah? Top bloke. Anyway, I'm gonna pop downstairs, guys, and as I said, see what the rest of the guys are doing. So let's go, mate. Good evening, mate.
Look at that, mate.
£400 for it.
£400?
Yeah. Yeah, so
How did you get into this, Fabziy?
You know, I was walking down the street, and I seen a camera, pick it up, and that was it, mate. The rest is history.
So how did you see the camera, like a Rahman thing, or?
Yeah, the camera just set like this.
Yeah.
Whatever.
So instead of like high volume training, keep it between 8 and 10 reps, because you want to do, get the blocks building on out, so you want to put more muscle on abdominals more than anything, instead of like just doing repetition work.
Alright.
So just isolate it and work on it.
And so much reps you going for?
8 to 10.
8 to 10 reps.
If the weight is too light, you do more than 10, you add 5 kilos.
And this boy's pushing it, you know. 19, mate, you might as well just go everything.
Yeah.
You know, that's one plate.
I don't want to be too greedy, do you know what I mean?
You don't want to do.
Yeah, I don't want my eyes bigger than my stomach.
You look tired, mate. You're tired.
Spent too much time here. Nap time, take a week off. Let's go.
Alright, guys. Okie dokie. Back in the office. Yeah, so have you seen a quick little session with one of the lads? Good little session there. Went for a run. Came back and I did some upper body. Yeah, with a little fun little sprint. sprint session, me and my mate. I didn't do much inside vlogging wise because I chose not to for certain reasons. But in other videos to come, yeah, while things start progress and all that, then start to do that. However guys, I'm gonna keep this vlog short. I hope you enjoy it and stay tuned. You never know, I might have something in throughout, but however, I need to shoot off very shortly. So this is day in life of me doing what I do on a Monday. So yeah, if you did like what you see guys, drop a comment, like, share and all of that good stuff. And I'll see you guys during the week. Yeah, so anyway, stay safe. Peace.